Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We got a little bit of a different video we're going to work on right now, not car related. Just a simple fixing of the air conditioner drain pipes. So right here I've got two air handlers, one upstairs, one downstairs. I hit this with the mower and broke this one off. So right now it grows a lot of grass in and around here. It's really hard to mow. These are a little shorter than I'd want them to be. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut these off right around this area right here, extend the pipes upward, but before we actually re-glue on the top pipes, we're going to put in a concrete block right down in here, so when they drip on the concrete block, not the grass, and it keeps the grass from growing behind the pipes where you can't get to them. So that's what we're going to work on right now. I've already measured. It's about 5 inches out from the house to the pipes, and these are about 1.5 inches roughly. So we're actually going to cut a hole through a concrete paver and then slide that down over top of these pipes and then put the bends back on the top. So we're going to see how that goes. Working on it right now. So at this point I've already measured 5 inches from the edge of the block to where I want the edge of the pipes are going to be coming through, right in these two locations. I'm going to channel this section out in here. I started using a wood hole saw right here and it gnawed down the bit. So this is pretty much garbage at this point. So I'm going to actually use an actual ceramic or a mason bit and just start drilling holes all the way around here and then pound the centerpiece out. It'll be good enough. This will slide down over the pipes. It'll drip around this area here. No more grass will be growing back here against the house. So I think this should work pretty good. I'm going to go grab my bit right now and we're just going to start drilling holes all the way around here. Pop that centerpiece out. Use the hammer drill. These are masonry bits right here. Well, along with my hammer drill, should go right through this really easy. The drill is currently set to hammer mode. Now we're going to drill the paver. This is what it looks like. Hoping I can just pop this center part out. First attempt, fail. On the second attempt now. I'm going to remark this out so we know where it's going to go. And we continue on with the drilling. Try this again. Battery's dying. New battery. This section right here, I actually took the drill bit and went back and forth with it and cleared out a perfect channel. So I'm going to try to do that around the entire perimeter, see how it comes out. We actually have a nice little rectangle cut out in the center of this. I'm just going to flip it over and finish cleaning up the back side. This goes to the house. The pipe will come up through here. So now we're going to go outside, cut the PVC pipe, set this over top. First we have to dig out we're going to set this over top and mark the ground where we need to cut the dirt out so this will actually sit flush into the ground. Take it back off. That's what we're going to work on right now. So let's go back outside. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark how high up I want to actually cut the pipe. I'm going to make it even on both sides when I make the replacement elbows. It's going to be the exact same. I use my little pipe cutters. This is what we're going to use to cut this off with, just like this. Nice clean cut. Do that on both sides. Not gonna fit. We need to actually clear a little bit back farther here. This is where it's going to sit. We can mark around this. Right now we're 8 inches above the ground. I want to make this 13 inches. So we're going to need 2 pieces of 5-inch pipe. Got a bunch of fittings here. So we're going to have a sleeve going into a 90, going into a 45. So this section here is going to be 5 inches, and this can be just enough to clear this. Just enough to get these together. Like that. Move these together now. Just gotta get some cleaner. Alright, those are all clean. Break out the cement. Now I have 2 pieces that are ready to go on outside. Let's grab some sandpaper, head back outside. So these are going to go on here. So now we can actually get the mower underneath here without hitting them. But we do need to clean up here. There's a lot of paint on these, so I got some sandpaper here. Use the sandpaper to clean. Water to go down in the pipes a little bit before we start gluing them. Use our cleaner around the tops of those. We'll use our glue. And we just slide this right on. It does dry quickly, so be quick when you're positioning this. Same for the other pipe. There we go. Alright everyone, that's going to be a wrap for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something maybe. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification icon down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.